Acting Animals by Julie Murray. Acting Animals. Crystal is a monkey. She is also an acting animal, and she has been in more than 20 movies and TV shows. Night at the Museum was one. Many different kinds of animals can be actors. Dogs, horses, and bears are just a few. Some animals act in movies and others are in commercials. Some might perform at a zoo. Bamboo Harvester was an acting animal. He played a talking horse on the 1960s TV show Mr. Ed. Moose was a Jack Russell Terrier. He was in the movie My Dog Skip, and he was also on the TV show Frasier. It is hard work becoming an animal actor. A trainer works with the animal, and they teach them new skills or tricks, and this can take months or even years. The animal needs to be comfortable with its trainer. They form a special bond. Acting animals need to be smart. They have to follow commands while working. Many acting animals get paid. They make money for their special skills or their talents. Dogs, ducks, and zebras have walked the red carpet. Live animal shows can be dangerous. Roy Horn was attacked by his lion. It happened during a live show in Las Vegas, and he was very, very badly hurt. The American Humane Association protects acting animals, and they make sure the animals are treated well.